Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new, and welcome back if you are already subscribed. Today, wait. Before we get into this video, I want you to comment, like, subscribe to my channel, share it to all the girls and gays in the world, and let them know Aaliyah Korea is here, okay? And if you want to see how I got this glittery bronze look, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to start with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I love it. I don't take care of it like I should, and this is my girl, and I haven't been taking care of her like I should. So first, I'm going to prime my lids, and usually I use concealer, but I'm just going to use my e.l.f. primer that I got from Target. Look at that. Any Target really should have it. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid and blend with my finger. Y'all, the worst thing is when you start your makeup, sitting down, got everything in front of you, right? But guess what? Your beauty blender is not wet. Like, why? How did I forget that step? How? So I'm really mad. I gotta get up and wet my beauty blender. I'm back with a damp beauty blender. I need to get a new one because this one is almost done for. I'm going to go in with my palette, and I'm going to use, now I just want y'all to know, like I said, I love this palette, so it's really done for just about, okay? So I'm going to go in with this shade, and it is called Golden Arc. I hope it's called that. I hope I pronounced it right. Now that that's all set, I'm now going to go in with the color Burnt Orange. I'm gonna mix Burnt Orange and Raw Sienna together. This and that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. So once you have this, your eyes blended right here, I go in with the color Primavera. It is my absolute favorite eyeshadow color. I have so many eyeshadow palettes, but this color is so pretty, like gorgeous. We're going to go in with Cypress Umber. Yeah, I have really bad pronunciation on stuff. Like, I'm not dumb. Like, I just can't pronounce certain stuff. This color right here. And I'm gonna mix it and this orange together. Just because I don't want the brown to be too dark. Like, that's why I was scared to use it, because I'm just like, man, if it's like too dark, it's gonna look really bad and muddy. Okay, y'all. So I'm just going to go in right here and just make like a crease, yeah. But I'm going to try to not get like, I want this color to be visible. So we're gonna see what happens. So now you're going to have like a little pop, a little, to make it more intense, to make it more dark. And that's really it for the eyes. To highlight, just like for now, we're gonna use the same palette. Do we want to? We are. Okay, we're gonna use Tempera. Now, if you want to be a little bit extra, because I'm a little bit extra, you can take a gold liner. I got this from, what's this store in the States called? Ulta. Got it from Ulta. It's the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner. For some reason, when I use it, it burns my skin. Like, not literally burn, but it has like a burning sensation. So I don't really like to use it a lot, but I think this is appropriate. So yeah. I'm going to do my face and then come back to that. Did my face, popped on some lashes, and now I'm going to do the bottom lashes. I sometimes put the white waterline in, but for this look, I don't feel like it's necessary. So I'm going to take the NYX Soft Matte Lip in color Dubai.